To understand network communities, I think it's useful to go back to three more conventional ways of describing social groups: networks, communities, and institutions. Networks I think of as loosely connected people, non-hierarchical, not with large expectations of reciprocity, but just simply connected by some kind of media. Communities are more coherent. They have a common cause, a common identity, in some cases a common location, and there is usually some level of organization, maybe some level of hierarchy. Institutions are even more formal than that. Institutions are groups that have a common purpose and a common set of rules to achieve that purpose, and the ability to implement procedures time and time over and again in order to achieve their purpose. The concept I introduce is the one of network communities. That's somewhere in between networks and communities. So network communities are held together by a technology, but they have a common cause. So they're different from simple networks that don't have any common identity. But what distinguishes a network community is that they are held together primarily by some kind of technology. It's a mediated relationship, and it's not one that's based on geography. I think the idea of network communities might be useful to explain the proliferation of social groups that we see with internet and new technologies, where there's somewhere in between a group of loosely connected people and a more traditional form of community that has a common cause.